If you love learning to play calm, relaxing piano music, you're in the right place. Welcome to A Moment of Piano. Today, we're playing our 11th weekly piano routine together, a way for you to include a short, peaceful daily piano exercise in your practice routine every week. The music is particularly for late beginner to early intermediate piano players, but please go ahead and adapt it to whatever's most comfortable for you. You can follow along on screen, or if you'd like to download a copy of the free piano sheet music, please head to the link below. This week, we're familiarizing ourselves with the key of E flat major. In our F major routine, we had one flat, B flat major had two flats, and E flat major has three flats, B, E, and A. Whenever we see a B, E, or A note, we'll instead play their neighbours to the left, B flat, E flat, or A flat. This routine is unique because we're only playing two chords in each version, E flat major, we also call this chord 1 because it's built on the first note of the E flat major scale, and B flat major. We also call this chord 5 because it's built on the fifth note of the E flat major scale. The note patterns we play will look different each time, and in this routine we'll be using lots of little turns. That's because we're starting our scales and arpeggios on black notes in this key. We have 4 crotchet or quarter note beats in a bar, and our rhythms will also include quavers or eighth notes, minims or half notes, and semibreves or whole notes. Okay, we're all set. Let's just enjoy the music now and make this piano routine our own. Here's version 1. Here's version 2. Here's version 3. Here's version 4. And here's version 5. And there we are. Next, you might like to play our newest classical song, 18th Variation by Rachmaninoff, and look out for our second review routine coming next week. I'll see you next week for another weekly routine. To hear about these videos and more, please feel free to subscribe below. Thank you so much for joining me and have a lovely day.